Have a package in here. That's a normal box, nothing fancy. So this look like the manual for it here, showing you how to make all the connections and stuff. So what this is a step. Could you call it a step, or foot peg is what it is called it. Because use this to put on the side of the bikes and them, so that if you're riding you could just flip it down and somebody could sit down behind you without the foot hanging off the edge. So decide to get one, and this is how it looks here. So I buy a black one to look exactly like how the bike is. Yeah, so it's flipping up like that. You could flip it down. I believe you could also rotate it in some different angles as well, in case you want it a different way, because my bike, the bar kind of come inside way like this. So I was thinking about rotating it the next way so it could flip up. This way it will flip forward. If I put it in the next way, it will flip back. So I don't know if the better option will be to put it like that. So like when somebody foot actually pressing down on it, it will actually lock, which is what this way. It will actually lock like that. So it also have a smooth side on it here. I believe this is the more side for on top anyway. Yeah, so I will actually take it out and rotate it for it to close up in this direction, because you'll be screwing on my bike like that. It does come with some extra parts to build up the inside if the hole you're putting it in not this size. So you could small it a little bit to clip on. So you could fit that one on there. The next one here. Yeah, so as I say, I picked the black because the bike black, and those trying to be riding on the bike there, and the foot does just be hanging out close to the chain and close to the wheel. So I decided to try one out. I ain't buy next one because I don't know how this one go work. So I just decided to buy one for now to check it out. It can come with the same other two there. It helps small in the hole. Nothing much more there. We take another quick look at the manual there. Universal highway foot pegs. Yeah, so you see the showing here. You could rotate here, but you need to screw this screw. We're screwing onto it here, so you need to take out this clip. So take out the clip from there and you pull out the whole thing out. Have a screw inside there, which is this screw there, and then you can rotate it. So you just pull it off, rotate it to the angle you want, put it back on, screw it back down, and it will be in the correct angle you want it at. Showing you the little safety pin thing to take out there, the shaft, the screw, and then you can turn it. And showing you how to mount back everything and stuff there. So you can put it to the angle as you want. So it doesn't matter what angle your pegs are, it have multiple different little small adjustments and stuff you can make with the turning. So you could turn, this is look like different types. I don't know different types of the cell, different types to have. And I'll show you all the pieces and stuff that comes with it. Yeah, so that's it for the foot pegs. TS4 out.